coffee. I drink it 7 times a day. I really love coffee. I usually take the first coffee in dream while sleeping, then grab and take the second coffee. I take the third coffee before I leave home, then take the fourth and fifth one outside. I also eat coffee candy on the train. I take the sixth one just after dinner and take a coffee bath at the seventh one.
Coffee! Coffee! Coffee!
I'm so addicted. Addicted to you. I love coffee. I really want to feel coffee from top to toe. I love you. I want to feel you through my 5 senses.
5 senses coffee makeup provides the solution. You can feel your favorite coffee through your 5 senses. Plug in the coffee maker. Open the top cover. Put coffee beans in the grinding space. Put water in the water tank below the top cover. Set the coffee cup. Then it's ready. To feel coffee bean to the sense of touch, grind them as if you're grinding them with a traditional coffee mill. Turn on the switch, and boiled water will go to the ground coffee bean in the filter, and the coffee will be brewed up. The fourth sensor register in the tubes measure the weight changes and LED flash beautifully. The signals of the weight changes are also converted into music. Of course, you can enjoy the ground coffee's rich aroma and taste. Coffee!